Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of Python programming, I am going to start with some new concept. In the previous lecture, I discussed about the different mathematical and trigonometrical functions, and also we saw that how we can concatenate two arrays. So I hope you have watched that lecture. If you haven't watched it yet, just watch it and come back to this one. Now in this particular video, I am going to start a new concept that is of copying, C-O-P-Y-I-N-G, copying. So when we are trying to work on copying one array to another, so there are basically three different methods of copying. The first one is aliasing, the second one is shallow copy, and the third one is deep copy. So these are the three different concepts which are used for copying one array to another. So in this particular lecture I am going to explain aliasing, that what is basically aliasing. So here I am just taking from NumPy import asterisk arr1 equals to array, and here I am just taking the values. I am just creating one array, simply a NumPy array. Then aliasing, like it is the concept of copying, so I'm just taking one more array. I just want arr1 to be copied in arr2, that's all. So here I am just printing the arr1 for you, and this is arr1, and again I will be printing the arr2 here. So let's print the arr2. This is arr2 now. After that I am also printing the id of this, id of arr1. So let's print the message also, arr1 id. So I'm just printing arr1, or we can say id of arr1. Then similarly I am printing arr2 id. That's I'm just printing the id of arr2. So this is the concept of aliasing, like we just have to assign the first array to another wherever we want to copy. Let's run it and check what's the output. So here you can just see that the values of arr1 are not now copied to the arr2 array exactly, and you can see the id also, that is the address of arr1 and arr2, they are also same. So this is really like considerable thing that you can see that the id of the two different arrays are same in the case of aliasing. And why it is happening? Basically in the starting I have just discussed with you that when we are talking about this concepts like like copying and all, so or we are just assigning some value. So what it is basically like, suppose a equals to 10 I am having, b equals to a I was doing this. I have already told in the very starting lectures. I'm just giving you a recap, overview of that. So what was happening, like when we were printing the id of a, and we were printing the id of b, and we were also printing the id of 10. So the id of all three were same. This was happening just because, suppose this is the id, this is the id, suppose this is the id of 10. So and this 10 is basically having this id, and this is a variable and this is b variable. So basically whenever we are taking some variables and we are just assigning it some value, the address is of the value only, and the two variables are basically referring, they are just referring that value. So there is no address for the variables. The address is assigned or taken in the memory just for the values. Okay, I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Once again I just want to clear it. So I was just trying to say that if you are having the value 10, this is the value, and we are also having some like variables, as we were taking a and b, suppose a, and one more variable we are having b, and in that condition which we have seen, so what is happening, like a is also referring this 10 only because a is equal to 10, and now b equals to a, that's why it's also having the value 10 only. So they both are referring to the same value. That's why there is the address of only the value, not the variables. So address are basically for the values, not the variables. Suppose this was the address, so it was for the value 10. That's why for both of these variables, the address was coming same. Same thing is happening here also in the case of this array. I hope now you are understanding that what is happening, why the ID of both are coming same. So if we are assigning it directly, so this particular concept is known as aliasing. It is creating a copy, but yes, the ID, that is the address, will be remaining same. So I hope the concept of aliasing is clear to you all, and if you are having some query, you can just drop that query into the comment section. I will help you out. In the next lecture, we will see that what is shallow copy, what is deep copy. So stay tuned, see you in the next lecture, and don't forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you will be able to get the notifications of my latest uploads. And also follow FameWorld Educational Hub on Instagram and Facebook, and the link of the WhatsApp group of FameWorld Educational Hub is in the description, so you can just join our WhatsApp group also.